Do this every time, people. Every time a coconut. Prime your walls. Doesn't have to be neat, just bloody roll it on, slap it on. Just glues all that dust together. You know, some people wipe their wall down with a sponge, but that's a lot of shit, because all you're doing is just spreading the dust around. Think about it. When you mop a floor, does it come out brilliantly clean? Nah. You got to do it a few times. So wiping your wall down with a sponge is a lot of crapolo. But this is not. Glues all the dust together and the glue sticks to it nicely. You try and pull your tiles off the wall when it's been sealed like this, primed. Ah. Da, 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 da. Up here over the paint. Oh, beautiful. I use this stuff all the time for everything. Doesn't matter if you get runs, don't worry about it, nah. That's a painter's 2 coat. 1, 2. Sorry painters, bit of a dig. I'll show you again the 2 coat process. 1, 2. Just slap it on. Works a treat over over painted walls, this stuff. Nice. Nice. I'll go and have some lunch while this is drying. It doesn't take long, but and then I can start waterproofing. I'll do the second coat of waterproof tomorrow morning, and then it's the weekend. Instead of trying to squash it in all in one day, because I've had to do a few things, so I haven't got I haven't got time on my side, and I don't want it to be a long day. Nah, no need for that rubbish. Alright people, I'll just finish that off and I'll do up there. I'll see you soon. Yo! This is Chriso. Another thing I like to do too, people, is I never give it my floor, my screed, I never give it a steel trowel finish, because it I reckon the waterproof sticks better to a rougher surface, not a smooth. But you know, some tilers, they like to make it all nice and pretty and still float it, but it's unnecessary. Unnecessary, brother or sister or whatever. Cousin. A quick lickety split. Quick lickety split. Like I vacuumed it all, and that's that, you know, but this just binds everything together. Ooh. I buy these rollers by the pack of 12. When I do this sort of thing, I just chuck it out. There you go. Put my excess in the where'd that come from? Just pour that back in for the next time. And there will be a next time. Right, I want to go and have some lunch. Just while that's drying. And then I'll start waterproofing. I'll do one coat today and I'll do the next coat tomorrow morning when it's dry. Otherwise I'll run out of time. See you soon. This is Chris O. Ciao.